Come on. Come on, quit being a brat. Yeah, but come. Unbelievable. This is my well-behaved dog. Where are you going? Hey. It's dumping, huh? You gonna drop that? Nope. Alright, well, here, you can see it's snowing. It's dumping, actually. Which I think will be hysterical because if the neighbors get snowed in, I'm sure not firing up the plow. Anyway, don't you wish you were here right now? Probably. Skiing's gonna be good tomorrow. Hey, do. Say hi to Daddy. Okay. Bye. Love ya.